안녕하세요. Welcome to Sesame Korean Kitchen. Do you like noodle? There are a lot of noodle, pasta, and China is noodle country. A lot of noodle, right? And Thailand, Pad Thai, Philippines, fancy. I like it. Vietnam, bún chả. I love it. Malaysia, kway teow. It's delicious. Korea, oh, many noodles. We eat a lot of noodles. Today, I will cook 짜잔! Japchae. Very special noodle, Japchae. Shall we begin? Go go! Come on! I have this today. This is Dangmyun. Some of them call it Japchae noodle, but it has its own name, Dangmyun. It's made by sweet potato cornstarch. Today I will cook 500 grams of Dangmyun. I'm going to soak the Dangmyun in the water. The Dangmyun soaking in the warm water for 30 minutes. If you use cold water, you have to take more time. While Dangmyun is soaking in the water, preparing the vegetables, I have one big and one small. So if you guys use medium size, you can use 2 onions. The onion makes food sweet. If you guys use dry mushroom, you better soak before the slice. This carrot is big, so I will use half. This is fish cake. I will use this today. Green bell pepper, also slice, same shape. In Korea, we normally use spinach as color green, but here in Manila, hard to find the spinach, especially the Korean spinach. So I decided to use bell pepper instead spinach. This is actually optional. If you guys have bell pepper, you can put it, but if you don't have, you can skip it. Even some other ingredient also same. Look at the color, how beautiful it is. This will create harmony with the noodles. Are you looking for meat? Where's the meat? Today, I don't have a meat. My japchae is vegetarian friendly japchae. It has been 30 minutes. The water is boiling. The noodle, I will boil it for 4 minutes. It has been 4 minutes. Then we have to rinse with cold water. Second rinse. You have to rinse cold water immediately to avoid the noodles are blowing. One more time. This is third time with the cold water. The pan is ready for cooking oil. I will fry onion. Pinch of salt. And pepper. It becomes caramelizing, so it's almost. Next, red bell pepper. One pinch of salt. It's done. The red bell pepper. We'll add oil. Then fish cake. We also have menu fried fish cake with soy sauce, and also can cook with chili powder. I have a planning to cook fish cake also. Half tablespoon of soy sauce. Shiitake mushroom. The mushroom is made of mountain. Has a lot of protein. A little more oil. Half tablespoon of soy sauce. The mushroom is chewy, like meat. Lastly, I put carrot. I always fry carrot at last because it has a color. If I fried other vegetables after carrot, it stains colors. Some salt. The next step is very important because when you eat japchae, for the first bite, taste is very good. But when it's time flies around after 10 minutes, become tasteless because the noodles are absorbing the seasoning. That is why the taste become less. And also another reason, the noodles are blowing. If you follow this step, totally avoid it. 150 ml sugar, 75 oil, cooking oil, 150 ml soy sauce, we'll boil it. The sugar, to dissolve it. The sugar must be dissolved before start to boil. Cut the noodle because it's too long. It's boiling, so I'm going to put Dangmyun. And fry it until no sauce in the pan. You have to look at the bottom of the pan. Is sauce there or not? Look. No more sauce, right? So I can finish to fry the noodle. Turn it off fire. So we have onion, carrot, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, fish cake, shiitake mushroom, all here. Wow, it's beautiful. The color is so beautiful. Now it's climax to make japchae. Sesame oil, 2 tablespoons. It's really colorful japchae. Look at the color, very beautiful. I will fry egg for garnish. You have to separate yolk and the white. Just a little oil. I'll cook fried egg, yellow and white separately to make japchae beautiful on top. Okay. Yellow. Still hot. So we have very beautiful garnish. When I was young, when my mom cooked japchae, I eat japchae big plate without any rice. Enjoy my recipe. 감사합니다.